Make ShipOwner great again 428. We have elections in USA. It looks like Trump is going to win. Now, why is this happening? Because, dear ShipOwner, Americans need to eat and need to have affordable energy. Whilst we have all these Democrat and socialist countries growing taxes, having immigrants, and taking 70% of all the jobs, immigrants in the UK, in Spain, in all these countries with basic wages, that means that poverty is going to grow. Now, Americans have decided, it looks like today, make America great again. Even some Democrats are just thinking in how to eat and heat this winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Now, dear ShipOwner, how can we make you great again? First of all, we have made 270 or something disruptions just for you, dear ShipOwner. How many can be picked by governments? But would governments make any use of them? Well, it's like not. Therefore, how about these videos, 428, to make you, dear ShipOwner, great? What else? We have a specific talent, barriers, intrinsic value, the goodwill of a company, ESG, corporate social responsibility, the value transparently today, communicating to make you great again. Therefore, we can isolate your talent in not only software, which is today the most basic, is like electric cars. It's a Tesla, but not of $40,000, of 20, not even that, of 10. Therefore, it is a Chinese version of a Tesla. Therefore, we could have really very Ferrari, Porsche, EVs, like many other softwares, or we can really make you great again, isolating and having this barrier specific for the HR. Then what else we can do? We have grown our database. We are making these videos every day. You can call me today, always 24/7 available to make you great again. And hopefully, if we look at cost again, because we can really have a strategic long-term agreement. Some Northern Europe go 6%, 12%. Here, give me your fleet of 200 ships and we can go free. Yeah, make you great again. Contact me now. Thank you. 125 years doing the same thing all over. Long-term intrinsic value.